What are the top 5 fish tacos in San Diego? Find out next on Jaycation. What's up, Jaycationers? Welcome back to another video here in the San Diego series. Now, due to popular demand, I am bringing back the top 5 food series, and I see the California burrito video has blown up, and I see a bunch of suggestions about where to get the best Cali burrito around town. I love it. Keep suggesting all your favorite spots down below, and we're gonna start a new top 5, and that's the top 5 fish tacos in San Diego. Now, there are many fish taco spots in San Diego. Just because they're my top 5 doesn't mean it's your top 5, and I'm not saying, oh, you shouldn't go there, or if I missed a spot. The thing is, I can only do 5, but I do want to hear about your top 5, so make sure you're commenting that below. Make sure you're conversing with the community and letting people know. Maybe they didn't know about it before, and then they'll eventually discover it and make that one of their eventual top 5. So let's start off with number 5 at Chief's Burgers and Brew in Encinitas, California. First on our list of 5 fish tacos around San Diego is Chief's Burgers and Brew here in Solana Beach. It is one of the best battered fish tacos in all of San Diego, and I just had to take you here. So let's talk about the rules for this top 5 fish tacos. They all have to be battered fish tacos, and if I'm gonna show you another taco, that's just gonna be a wild card. Sometimes it depends if I'm hungry or not. I might just get one taco at each place. At this one, I'm just gonna get one battered taco. So let's go in, pick it up, and try it at home. Got the bag. It's actually funny that this place is called Chief's Burgers and Brew, but it's a Broncos bar, and I see a bunch of Broncos gear. Check it out, it's right in front of the train station here in Solana Beach. Now let's fast forward to JJ at home to try this one out. We're gonna try our first fish taco on the top 5 list. You wouldn't think that it's a great spot for fish tacos. All right, you gotta put this lime on here. And then I got some Texas Pete's. You guys know I gotta put some Texas Pete's on here. I'm gonna drizzle it in that. You can get either flour or corn. The price of this taco is $4.99, so it's a little on the pricier side, but here it is, the number 5 taco. Oh, that's some good stuff. It's also a pretty big taco, so for $4.99, you're still getting a lot. There are cheaper tacos. I'm also washing it down with a longboard. Always good to have a cerveza with it. So next time you're in Solana Beach, make sure to check out Chief's Burgers and Brew. And even though it's a Chief's Burgers and Brew, it's a Denver Broncos bar of all things. But it's right in front of the train station in Solana Beach and Cedros Avenue. And you can also check out the Solana Beach Fletcher Cove beach before that, and maybe check out the sunset and then grab a fish taco. All done. All in all, really solid start to the top 5 fish tacos in San Diego. If you're finding value in this video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. It really helped distribute it throughout YouTube. If you're just discovering me, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you get updates when I do go live once a week around San Diego and when I post these videos sporadically throughout the week. Now take it away, JJ, for number 4 in the top 5 fish tacos in San Diego. We are at our next spot. This is Kiko's here in Mission Valley. What makes this place interesting is that it's located in a gas station parking lot at the mobile gas station here on Mission Gorge Road. They have some amazing fish tacos, and it makes this list because it's been here as well since 1983, and they have the OG fish taco, which we're gonna try out. Another cool thing is while you wait, they give you free soup. It looks like it's got cabbage in it, probably some fish. Oh yeah. Good soup. Oh, there's shrimp in it. Look at this piece of shrimp right here. Wow, they have all different types of seafood in here. It looks amazing. A little spice to it too. Free soup, another reason to come here to Kiko's. All right, I got the bag. Let's take it home and try it out. We're trying Kiko's place, that food truck at the mobile station in Mission Valley. We're putting some lime on the OG taco. Like I said, gotta have a beer battered fish taco, so cheers. Here's fish tacos, wow. Huge size on the corn tortilla. Got the cabbage, got the tomatoes, got the white sauce. Oh, this is good. Lots of flavor in here. So Kiko's has been around since 1983, just like Rubio's. Maybe they have a little battle, I don't know, of who was first. Wow, fire. Yum. This fish taco. All right, so Kiko's. Now on to the next one. Next on our list for top 5 fish tacos in San Diego is Seasurf Fish Company here in Del Mar Heights. On Tuesdays, they have $2 classic fish tacos and they have huge portions. They also have $6 ahi nachos, which are amazing. They also have a great happy hour, $5 beers from 3 to 6. Check it out. Every day they have fish tacos for $2 from 3 to 6, and we picked up a bunch of them to try back at home. Now they're also open for patio dining, but I'm still gonna take it out. It's just almost 6 o'clock and there's a big line out there because people are trying to put in that cheap $2 order. Also, I'm wearing my Kobe's today because it's Kobe's death anniversary, unfortunately. A little tribute to my guy. Next up, we're trying Seasurf Fish Company. Now these are the $2 fish tacos. They are amazing. I've gone here once before. Let's put some lime on here. Now it's not as big as, let's say, Chief's Burgers and Brew. It's a little smaller, but it's a decent size of battered fish. They have a little bit of cabbage here, a little bit of salsa fresca. I also went ahead and put the salsa verde, the green sauce, for a change. So let's try out Seasurf Fish Company's burrito. Just as flavorful. I love it. A little more of that Texas Pete. Like I said, nice little lager cerveza. It's a little smaller, but for $2 a pop, you can just order extra ones. It'll fill you up real quick for really cheap. All done. So that was number 3, which is Seasurf Fish Company in Del Mar Heights. $2 classic tacos from 3 to 6, or on Taco Tuesdays, $2 fish tacos all day. You can't beat that. Now on to number 2 in Ocean Beach for South Beach Bar and Grille's amazing fish tacos. Take it away, JJ. So next up on our list of top 5 fish tacos in San Diego is South Beach Bar and Grill in OB. Since there is no outdoor or indoor dining, we took our fish tacos to go here to the OB Dog Park. They have really nice park benches. Brought the Clorox wipes to disinfect. I'm here with my buddy Danny. They include free hot carrots. These are a huge helping, and these are just some of the best fish tacos in San Diego. And I also love the shrimp tacos. So I got 1 shrimp taco and then 1 Baja. Also gotta have that lime on here. Now comment below, let me know if you've ever been to South Beach Bar and Grill. And just across the street is Mike's Taco Club that also has some amazing tacos. Look how big that helping is. My God. Just the classic Baja taco. Here's the little shrimp taco that I got. Wow. That's amazing. I love the little pieces of shrimp in here. So good. We're gonna try out the hot carrots right here. Oh man. That was one of my tips. When you go to a Mexican food restaurant, ask for hot carrots. I'm telling you, they're free, on point. Also guys, check out Danny's channel for his review on South Beach Bar and Grill.
What's up, Jaycationers? I got an OB video that I got coming out that I did with my man JJ, and the tacos were on point. So if you want to see my tacos and what I ate and how I just smacked it right down the pipe, just go check out my video.
And I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the shrimp taco. Now we're gonna move on to the next fish taco in San Diego. The next spot on the list gets honorable mention. This is the Fish Taco Hall of Fame. In 1983, Ralph Rubio brought the first ever Rubio's location right behind me here on Mission Bay Drive near Pacific Beach. The fish taco scene after that blew up around San Diego, and Rubio's is now all over with multiple locations all over town. And I'd be remiss if I didn't at least give them honorable mention on this top 5. So Rubio's obviously gets inducted to the Fish Taco Hall of Fame, and we're gonna try their classic battered fish taco right behind me. So this is the first ever Rubio's, and I just ordered the original fish tacos. I got the 2 tacos and the plate, so I think it comes with beans and chips. Secured the bag, let's go. All right guys, so we're at Mission Bay trying out a fish taco that I've had many times in my life, Rubio's Fish Taco. I actually went to the first location ever that opened in 1983. This is just your classic original fish taco. It's on a corn tortilla, you got your cabbage, and I just got the mild hot sauce, and it comes with the beans, and I love their beans. I usually dip my chips with the beans. So we're gonna try it. Instead of lime, they have lemon. We're gonna put the lemon in there. Yep, classic. Ralph Rubio started a revolution here. So the story about how Ralph Rubio got the idea of opening up Rubio's was he was down in Baja California, on the eastern side of Baja California. He was staying at a small town and they made the best fish tacos ever. When he came back to San Diego, he eventually opened up the shop. So that's it for Rubio's. It gets the honorable mention and off to number 1. The number 1 fish taco on my list is Oscar's, which originally opened up near PB and Bird Rock. That's the OG one, and you've seen that in the Bird Rock video. Check out that review, but I also just recently went to the one in Hillcrest and tried out a fish taco and a shrimp taco in the car. So we're gonna use the brand new footage, so check it out. Oscar's at number 1. So we're here at Oscar's Mexican Food. It is one of the top fish tacos here in San Diego. We're here in Hillcrest, and it is right next to Bip's Cookies, which is a great cookie spot. So if you want to check out their cookies, they're awesome. But we're gonna try their battered fish tacos at Oscar's and their shrimp taco here. So let's go inside and check it out. All right, we got the bag. Let's go. We're here trying out the fish taco and the shrimp taco from Oscar's. We're gonna eat it in my car today. All right, guys, we're gonna start off here with the fish taco. We got cilantro, pico de gallo, and I love their pink chipotle sauce in here. It's amazing. So we're just gonna douse that here. That is a great taco. Cheers. I love that chipotle flavor in this thing. So good. Can't ever get enough of that chipotle sauce. And this beer battered fish taco is so good. Now this is the Oscar's in Hillcrest. The OG one is over near PB and Bird Rock on the border. We've seen that before in the Bird Rock video. So it can get a little messy here, especially if you're eating in the car. But pandemic times call for pandemic measures. Moving on to taco number 2. We got the shrimp taco here. Now this is also a battered taco. We're gonna drizzle that chipotle sauce onto it. All right, let's try taco number 2 out. That is even more flavorful, I feel. Wow, amazing. So for $2.50 and like $3.29, that's a really good price, and they're pretty big tacos. I'm also gonna try the white sauce, just because I ran out of the chipotle sauce. Check that out. Cheers. Wow, this green white cilantro sauce, a lot spicier than the chipotle sauce. That's yummy. So no doubt about it, Oscar's always comes through. So that will do it for the top 5 fish tacos in San Diego. Obviously, I had to mention Rubio's because it was just what blew up the fish taco scene here in San Diego. Just because my top 5 isn't your top 5, it's all good. We don't have to fight about it. Let us know in the comment section below what your top 5 fish tacos are in San Diego, or whatever your favorite spot is to have your fish taco. It'll be nice to discover it down in the comment section for other people to see, and maybe that can become their favorite fish tacos, and maybe in the future my top 5 would change because of your suggestion. So I'd really appreciate that. And if you're interested in more San Diego content, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I go live around San Diego once a week, and I also post videos multiple times, 3 to 5 times a week. Also, if you'd hit that like button, I'd really appreciate it. It really helps get it distributed throughout YouTube. I have a Facebook group going, 120 plus strong, and it's all about San Diego news and events and things that are happening around town. So if you want to check it out, it's called It's Always Sunny in San Diego. And if you want to support me even further on Jaycation, please check out my Patreon. I have a lot of great exclusive content on there, and also have great prizes and giveaways in certain tiers if you join me on Patreon. All right, Jaycationers, thanks for checking out my top 5 fish tacos in San Diego, and I'll see you in the next video. And in the words of Ron Burgundy, stay traveling, San Diego.